Hello everyone, welcome back. I've got a moon-themed traveler's notebook to share with you. This is one of a few of them I have coming. I may have this second one up today, but I will try, but I'll get through this one. This is, they're fabric covered and they are standard size, so 8¼ by 4¼ and like I said, they're fabric covered. Isn't that gorgeous fabric? And I've just done crazy stitching around, and I've stitched sari silk. It's like this silvery color, sari silk. And this isn't black, it's about a midnight blue. It's like almost navy, really dark navy. And there's a charm that I've got a lot of sari silk pieces there. So there's a lobster claw on there. So you could take this off and use it on your planner if you like. I'll just show you the center. I mean, you could actually have it out the top instead. Isn't that cute? Okay, so it's one of 3 charms that come. So inside here, oh, I should mention the digitals I've used throughout this are Digital Curio, Amy Joy Studios, Luna Girl, Scotty Art, and Calico Collage. Just to give you an idea, I'll try and link them below so you can, if you see something you like that you want to find at a shop, just I'll try and remember to link those below. Okay, so I've created this sort of curtain effect here, like old-fashioned theater. This is a scanned art piece from my own stash, my own tarot cards. This is the moon, so I just made it into a journaling card, and I gotta give the sari silk a haircut. So there's some pieces there. It's just a little stitch tag with some more sari silk on it. This is like a tuck spot here. You could tuck it in there. Oh, let's make sure I'm in frame, guys, sorry. Okay, so we have a little fairy girl here. Journal card. And I've just stitched in this vellum star vellum that I had, and I've stitched it and made a little pocket. This is some washi tape that I had in my stash. This is Michael's paper pad, Recollections paper pad. These are some postcards I had. These are made from, they were all taken at the NASA space station. So I have a collection of postcards from them. And these are vintage pieces from old book pages. And then these are just, pages are all backed with this galaxy from Digital Curio. These are old antique, I forgot to mention this shop. I'll have to look that up. The shop that has images of these antique space maps. And then here's the second charm. It says Dream. And this is just a little tuck spot. I've added some note paper, just stamped stars on there. I've got this little moon child. So I've left lots of space to do some writing. Here's just a journal tag in here. And I've stitched around this pocket here. Sorry for the glare, because some of the paper does have a shine to it. And then I've created this envelope here with one of the images, and I've just tucked some bits in here. I've made some stickers with some of the rubber stamps that I have. Without the dark, we would never see the stars. So there are some vintage book pages in here as well. And then, let's see, I've added some more journal cards from this Michael's paper pack there. And then there's another moon. There's all kinds of little bits in there. And then this envelope I've just turned into a tuck spot at the top here. Make your own magic. More pieces you can use. And then another vintage book page there. I've stitched that little pocket there. These line pages are from Scotty Art, and remember that. There's a little collage I've done here. So there's lots of space to write. And any pages that I couldn't make work with the images, I did cut some of the pages and they were backed with the galaxy images as well, and I just sort of tucked them in here so that they can be used for some other projects with your writing. And this is a vintage Rolodex card, and I just stamped on there. What each of us becomes is fashioned from the stardust of our dreams. This is an image from Calico Collage. It's from the Among the Stars kit. I know that I remember that because I've used that kit before. And I stitched around here. I got this idea from Dolly. Thank you, Dolly. More moon phase washi tape. Another moon piece to stick down there. This is a journaling card, and then, oh, here's the third little moon guy here. He's a little crescent moon. It's a little tiny one, but I did add a lobster claw to him as well so that you can add it to your planner or whatever else you use. Ticket to the Moon. These are from the Sketty Art as well. That was her kit was called Ticket to the Moon. There's the center. It's just a phase. These are vintage book pages. I've just stamped that again on a piece of vellum and decorated the paper clip with some more of that silvery sari silk. And there's a fun little lady riding the moon there. I like this this image here. It's pretty. And this washi tape that I had kind of matched it. A little bit of coffee dyed paper. There's another collage I did there. Lots of pages to write, but yet still the backgrounds are easy to write on as well. This image here is also from Calico Collage. And there's another vintage Rolodex card, and then here is more vintage book pages. This one has, for collaging, you can do whatever. More moon images. Tuck that in there, and then I've just sort of hidden this little spot back here. This moon guy here. Writing space, little secret, and this is rainbow lines. Little journal card. Here's another scanned image of my tarot card, the moon. This is a sticker. It's a clear sticker actually. So inside here I've added some more washi tape. There's moon, stars with a moon, more gold stars, and then I've also included some of my pretty star and moon washi tape for decorating or do some tip-in of your own things. This is a little stitch vellum pocket. These moon phase paper here is from a paper pack from Michaels as well, Recollections, and then I've just tipped that in. Like I said, the back has the galaxy on the back, so it's still, I mean, you could use a white paint marker for the image here, but you could write on over the images. They're not so dark that they would show up. So then I used my scrap. Oh, there they are. I was looking for those. These washi tapes are backed with, they're not on a roll. Well, they're on a roll, but they have a backing on them, so I couldn't roll them up to put them with the other ones, so I've just folded them there. So this is a stitched pocket, and I used extra fabric pieces to make some tags. This is just a soft tag using scraps because I don't like to waste anything. And I just tucked it in there. Okay, so that's the Moon Journal, Silver Stars, number 1. I've got a few more coming. This will come with, I'm going to add a few more stickered images, and every one of these journals will come with a little bag that I've stamped the moon on. I have just forgot to add the stickers in there. They're downstairs on my table, but it'll come with it. Okay guys, thanks. Hopefully I get the second one out today. If not, let me know your thoughts on moons, and we'll talk soon.